My name is Myles Howell. I am from St. George originally. I came to Utah State as a painter, and then I met Ryoichi and took his basic sculpture class. As soon as I touched stone, that was the end for me. I knew exactly what medium that I was going to work in. Growing up in southern Utah, I was out hiking and rock climbing and doing outdoor things. And so as soon as I found the medium of stone carving, I just had this connection to it. I could make these beautiful forms out of material that had been around for millions of years. But I always had this collection of these weathered, kind of destroyed bones. And so that's where my body of work is heading now. I'm using bones as like a reference to my work, but I'm abstracting them in just to non-objectional forms, convex and concave shapes, and these beautiful lines that you see to create something visually important. You look from this angle and you see these certain planes, these certain angles, and you go to a different side and there's something else extremely beautiful, but it's from a different perspective. Movement's very important for me in sculpture and to keep the viewer engaged, and so I want to have like these twists and these turns and these changes in line that you may not see in this bone structure, but you can see the reference as well as similar forms. My end goal is to get into that larger scale, something that people can climb on and can interact with physically. I want someone to climb on my sculpture and enjoy it for what it is. I want them to stick their head through these voids and be able to fit their bodies through them and enjoy them that way. So that's where I'm going eventually. I don't care who you are. I don't care where you're from, what your demographic is. You can see a piece of art and have some kind of connection to it. Either you love it, you hate it, and it happens everywhere, right? So I think it engages people to be more open to everything and to just enjoy the beauty that we can create as a civilization.